Real estate scams in Lagos are a recurring issue, preying on the aspirations of home buyers and investors. Here are 5 notable scams orchestrated by some unscrupulous property companies and agents in the city. 5 scams about real estate companies in Lagos. Chika and her husband, Femi, purchased land in a supposed fast-developing area in Ikorodu, only to discover the property was under government acquisition. They had paid a hefty sum to Apex Realtors, who vanished without a trace. Boloji, a tech worker, invested in an off-plan housing estate in Oja. He paid Apex Realty for a unit in a luxurious estate that turned out to be non-existent. The site was a barren field with no signs of development. Fatima, a single mother, saved for years to buy a duplex in Lekki. She later discovered the same property had been sold to 2 other buyers. Legal battles ensued, leaving her emotionally and financially drained. Connor, a retiree, thought he had found his dream property in Ikeja. The sellers presented a convincing fake C of O certificate of occupancy. Months after payment, the real owner reclaimed the land. A group of friends, led by Ton, pooled their resources to purchase units in a new estate in Sangatido. The developer abandoned the project midway, citing financial troubles, leaving the buyer stranded.